Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the 3MA cross with alert multi-time frame indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. As its name suggests, this indicator displays 3 moving averages on the chart. It also displays signals and signs on the chart when these moving averages cross or intersect each other.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And also issue alerts. We can use this indicator both as a trend identification and as entry and exit signals for our trades. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is prime time that we can select. After selecting the time frame for each of these 3 moving averages, there are 4 settings we can adjust. The first option is the moving average period. Second option, there is a shift that this moving average has. 3 native options, the method of calculating the moving average, and the fourth is the price option on which the moving average is calculated. We have these 4 items for all 3 moving averages. The first is for the fast moving average. Next is for medium or medium speed muffins. And next is for slow muffins, each of which has these 4 settings, and we can set these. After the settings related to moving averages, we have an option called Show Image, which, if true, displays these moving averages on the chart, and if false, it does not display these moving averages. The next option is related to alerts, which, if true, will activate alerts, and we can then set and select the alerts that exist. The next option is alert in the form of a message that is displayed on the screen. If it is true, we have this option. The next option is sound, which is an audio file that is
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
played when the alert is triggered. If the next option is true, the alert will also be sent to our mailbox. The next option is for when we want to receive the alert on the current candle that has not yet closed and is open. If it is true, this will happen, and if it is false, it will wait until the candle closes and then send the alert. There are 3 cases below my indicator that are alerts for different moving average crosses. The 3 crosses we have here, MT, are the fast and medium Tosiki moving average crosses. If this option is true, an alert will be issued for this model of crosses. The second alert option is for the fast and slow cross, which, if this option is true, will issue an alert for this model of the cross, and the second alert option is for the medium and slow cross, which, if this option is true, will also include this model of the cross in the alert. Next, we have 3 options for these 3 types of crosses, which will display the signals and alerts. If this is set to true, it will show the signals, and if set to false, it won't display them. This applies to the cross of the fast and slow moving averages, the cross of the fast and medium moving averages, and the cross of the medium and slow moving averages. Next, for each of these crosses, both the upward and downward cross modes we can select the symbol and the line that appears here to find its code and enter it here. For example, here for the cross pattern of the fast and slow candlesticks, when the fast candlestick breaks the slow candlestick upwards, we have the number 233, which is the arrow pointing upwards. And for the pattern where the fast candlestick breaks the slow candlestick downwards, we have the number 234, which is this arrow pointing down. We can put any symbol we like here, its code. For each 6, there is a cross mode that will display that symbol on the chart. The next step is to show these signals on the second candle. In the first candle, in the cross, we should have 2 candles next to each other. For example, for a cross between fast and slow. For example, in the first candle, the fast moving average is below the slow moving average. And in the next candle, the fast moving average is above the slow moving average. In this case, if we have disabled this option or it is false, it will show us the signal on the second candle, but if it is true, it will show us on the first candle. And in the end, there are 3 gap parameters for these 3 cross models that we had between fast and medium, fast and style, and medium and style. We can choose that the greater this value, the greater the distance between these symbols and the lines from the price. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We can also use the MT5 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. As you can see, the settings are exactly the same, and we can use these settings here and set them according to our needs. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.